Hey parents and food lovers, are you tired of hearing your kids say, I don't like this food? No worries anymore. Today I am going to share some fun, colorful, and healthy kid friendly meal ideas that your little ones will actually love. So let's make meal time exciting and happy for the whole family. Let's begin. Mealtime can be different and difficult when kids are picky eaters. But if you make food colorful, fun, and tasty, kids will eat it happily. Let's look at some easy meal ideas for kids. Number 1. Mini veggie pizzas. Take small bread slices or feta bread, spread pizza sauce on them. Add some cheese and lots of colorful veggies like red bell peppers, yellow corn, and green spinach. Bake for a few minutes. Kids love small pizzas because they are fun to eat and easy to hold. Number 2. Fruit and yogurt for fat. Layer some yogurt in a glass. Add fresh fruits like bananas, apples, and strawberries. Add another layer of yogurt and top it with a little honey or some crunchy granola. This makes a sweet and healthy snack. Number 3. Cheesy pasta with hidden veggies. Cook some pasta and add tomato sauce. Blend some cooked carrots and spinach into the sauce so the kids do not see the veggies. Sprinkle cheese on top. Kids enjoy pasta and they will eat the veggie without even knowing it. Number 4. Chicken and veggie skewers. Cut chicken and veggies into small pieces. Put them on sticks. Grill them for a few minutes. Kids like food on sticks because it looks like a funny toy. Number 5. Rainbow sandwiches. Take bread and add colorful layers. Use beetroot spread for pink, avocado for green, carrot spread for orange, and hummus for white. Cut the sandwiches into fun shapes using cookie cutters. Kids enjoy eating colorful food. Number 6. Egg muffins. Mix eggs with veggies like bell peppers and spinach. Pour into muffin molds and bake. These are easy to hold and eat. Plus, they are full of protein. Homemade chicken nuggets. Cut chicken into small pieces, dip in egg, and roll in crushed corn flakes. Bake until crispy. These are healthier than short bought nuggets. These meals are easy to make. They are colorful and fun. Kids enjoy food when it looks exciting and tastes good. You can also involve your kids in cooking. Let them add toppings, mix things, and decorate plates. This makes them feel happy and proud. So parents, next time your kids say they don't like their food, try these ideas and to watch them smile. If you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Let's mix mealtime happy and healthy together. See you in the next video. Bye.